Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and today it's 2023, and speaking of which, we're going to be talking about the best export settings in Premiere in 2023. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now these settings are for whenever I am delivering videos to clients. I am not posting these on Facebook or Instagram. I can make a separate video for that if you guys want. Just leave a comment or send a like on this video. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in Premiere, and we'll go up to export. So since we are in 4K, we're going to use the 3840 by 2160. The frame rate is going to be 23.976 frames per second. Make sure that your source sequence is the same as your export sequence frame rate. Now to check that is you can go to your sequences, and then you just right click on your sequence, and then you go to sequence settings, and then you'll see that it's at 23.976 frames per second. Our field order is going to be progressive. Aspect is square pixels 1.0. We're going to have render at maximum depth. Use maximum render quality. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit. So we're going to use profile. We're going to use high 10. And then we are going to do 5.2 for 4K. Our export color space should be at Rec 709. And then our VBR one pass should be 60 and 80 for the max. And for our audio format and audio codec should be at AAC. And then the sample rate should be at 4800 Hertz. The channel should be stereo. And the bit rate should be at 320. Alright guys, and that is the best export settings in Premiere in 2023. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.